Hi there, students. A libertine, a countable noun. You could also use this word libertine as an adjective as well to describe somebody. So if you call somebody a libertine, you say they have sex with lots and lots of different people. Yeah? This implies that they are morally corrupt and have few moral principles. Yeah? It says that somebody is sexually immoral and they don't care about how their behavior affects other people. So I guess Casanova is the archetype or the stereotype of the libertine. Okay, so a womanizer, a seducer. Now, normally this word a libertine is normally used for men. I think for women they normally use the adjective promiscuous. But if you call somebody a libertine, you are being you're being critical, you're being negative. You're saying this is a person who has no morals. They have no moral restraint. Yeah, so his libertine views on love. Okay, now let's see. The origin of this word is, I think it was coined by John Calvin. This word originally talked about free thinkers, people who decided what they believed in religion, and this is the original and still a valid meaning of libertine. Somebody who decides what they believe in religion. They don't follow the dogma of different religions. They come to their own conclusions. Yeah, somebody who is free thinking in religious matters and decides what they actually believe. I think that is, well, it's certainly a valid way of thought. So, for example, an atheist who comes to the conclusion that God doesn't exist is effectively a libertine, because they are forming their own opinions and beliefs about religion. Obviously, the established religions don't like people making their own mind up about religion. But that's where it started. It's still a valid meaning today. So I don't know. His libertine parents went off to an orgy, for example. But okay, a libertine, particularly a man who has lots and lots and lots of partners. Yeah, it's talking about unrestrained by conventional morality, but particularly concerning sex. Yeah. Okay. He was a libertine who indulged every one of his amorous impulses. Yeah, he's a womanizer, a seducer, a Casanova. But this is saying that this is somebody who has no morals. I guess as well you could use this word a libertine to talk about from ancient Rome, a slave who had been freed, a free man, somebody who had been freed from slavery. But that again, I think, is a different idea as well. Okay, so a libertine, somebody who, a promiscuous, particularly man who has lots and lots of sexual partners. A free thinker in religious matters, somebody who comes to their own conclusions about religion, or a slave that's been freed. Let's see. As to origin, I think well, there's a French word, libertin, yeah. But this itself, I'm certain comes from liber in Latin, meaning free. A libertine, formality. This is probably a rather old-fashioned word. I think I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. And I think that's probably it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Libertine.